In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Salesforce verification code in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your login process or simplify access for trusted devices, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and easily. First, start by navigating to the Salesforce website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Salesforce URL in the address bar. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, head to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll want to hover over the login section. This is where you typically input your credentials to access your Salesforce account. So, as you hover in this area, look for the option that will allow you to select Salesforce and proceed with logging in. With the login screen open, enter your username and password to sign into your Salesforce account. If you're used to logging in, this step should be simple. If you're having any issues logging in, ensure your credentials are correct and that your internet connection is stable. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right of the screen once more, where you'll find the Quick Settings icon. Give this a click and you'll be directed to a menu filled with options to tailor your Salesforce experience. From these options, look for and select Open Advanced Setup. This step leads you into a more detailed setting area where you can fine-tune various aspects of your Salesforce account. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first, we'll focus on just what you need for this process. Now you'll see a search bar often referred to as the quick find box. In this box, type identity verification. What this does is help you quickly locate the settings specific to verification protocols within Salesforce. After entering the term, click on the identity verification option that appears in the search results. This will open up the relevant settings where you can adjust the verification processes. In the identity verification settings page, you will notice an option that says Prevent Identity Verification. If this box is checked, it means the verification code is currently enabled. To disable it, simply uncheck this box, indicating that identity verification prevention is no longer enforced. Finally, to save these changes, locate the Save button. Click it to ensure your preferences are applied and that you won't need to deal with verification codes going forward. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now disable the Salesforce verification code, making your login process smoother and quicker. Remember, while disabling this feature can increase convenience, make sure your account stays secure by using strong passwords and other protective measures. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.